Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now there are two options to hide your photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy A36 and the A56. Now for the first method, just open Settings, then go to Security and Privacy. From here, just go to More Security Settings, then tap on Secure Folder. Now to create your secure folder, just tap on Continue. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to create your secure folder. Now just tap on Done. From here, just set a pattern, a password, or a PIN for your secure folder. I will select the pattern. Now just create your pattern. Then tap on Continue. Now from here, just enter your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Then tap on Confirm. Select Allow and tap on Next. Now once you have created your secure folder, just go to your home screen and open the Gallery app. Now from here, just select the photos and videos which you want to hide. Now once you have selected the photos and videos which you want to hide, just tap on More, then tap on Move to Secure Folder. Now as you can see, the selected photos and videos are hidden from our Gallery app. Now to view the hidden photos and videos, just go to your home screen and open the secure folder. From here, just tap on Gallery. And from here, you can find your hidden photos and videos. Just like that. Now for the second method, just open the Gallery app and select the photos and videos which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you select the photos and videos, just tap on More and select Move to Album. Tap on Create. Now just create a name for your secure folder. Now once you create your name, just tap on Create. After that, just tap on Albums, and from here, just tap on the three dots and tap on Hide Album. Now just enable the toggle for the album which we have created. Now once you do that, the selected photos and videos will be hidden from your Gallery app. Now to view the photos and videos, just go to Albums, then tap on the three dots and select Hide Albums. Now from here, just disable the toggle, then go back, and from here you will find the album which we have hidden. And this is how you can hide photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.